A new day begins for our happy little toddler. The sun is smiling hello.
Stretch, stretch.
Good morning, Sunny. Time to start our day.
Rise and shine, little star.
Let's start with happy hellos. Sing along with the greeting song.
Good morning, good morning. How are you today?
I'm happy, ready now to play.
Good morning, sunshine on the way.
Good morning, let's start our day.
Hello, 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 hip hip hooray.
Woof, 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 tail wag all the way.
We smile, we wave, we start with cheer.
With family love, we're all right here.
Good morning, hip hip hooray.
Good morning, let's start our day.
Today we'll learn to water plants. Water helps plants grow strong and green.
First, we fill the can with clean water.
Fill it, not too full.
Next, pour at the roots, slowly and kind.
The roots take a sip. Glug, glug, glug.
A little each day keeps plants happy.
But not too much. Just a tiny shower.
My turn, please.
You can do it, Sunny.
Woof, I'll watch.
Hold it steady. I got it.
Slow and steady watering.
Thank you, Sunny. Water, water, little plants.
Perfect pouring.
If soil is dry, it's time to water.
Dry here, water time.
Woof, help or pop.
Pour a bit, pause a bit. Sun and water make plants grow.
Can I help too?
Let's share and care.
A gentle mist for leafy friends.
Morning is a great time to water.
After we're done, we put tools away.
We feel great.
Helping plants is helping our home.
I learned to water plants.
Now let's sing about what we learned.
Water, water, plants grow. Water, water, plants grow. Pour a little, nice and slow.
Pour a little, nice and slow.
Roots drink up, here we go.
Roots drink up, here we go. Water, water, plants grow.
Thank you. We love H2O.
Woof, 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 let's go.
Sun up high and water below. Water, water, plants grow. Pour a little, nice and slow. We help our plants and watch them grow.
We learned together today.
Learning is fun.
Let's help our family.
Small hands can do big kind things. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun learning.